This video is all about the arithmetic progression problem. Now we are given PQ, are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression which sum is 21. The ratio P is to R is equal to 6 is to 1. Find P, Q, and R. So from this expression, now since they said the ratio of P is to R is equal to 6 is to 1. So that means P all over R is equal to 6 all over 1. So if you multiply P, if you cross multiply, say P times 1, you have P equal to R times 6, you have 6R. So it now means that P is greater than R. So P is greater than Q, greater than R. So this is the arrangement. So if P is greater than R, now let's assume that P is equal to A plus common difference, while Q is equal to what? A, and R is equal to A minus Q. Now, now if we add, now if you add P plus Q plus R is equal to 21 according to the question. Now it means that A plus D plus A plus A minus D is equal to what? 21. Now let's arrange the like terms together. You have A plus A plus A, because which is A here. Now the other one, which is D, arrange them together. You have plus D, which is this, minus D is equal to 21. So if we add these like terms together, you have 3A. This plus D minus D will give you 0. So 3A is equal to what? 21. Dividing both sides by 3, you have A. 3 divided itself 1. 3 divides 21 is 7. So your A is 7. That means we have, now let me call this equation 1. Now this equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Now it now means that P is equal to what? A plus 7. Sorry. It means that P is equal to 7 plus D, because A is equal to 7. So, and Q is equal to 7. R will now be equal to 7 minus D. Now we have gotten this. So the next thing was that they said from equation 1, which is P is equal to 6R. P is equal to 6R. This is equation 1. Now substituting P equal to 7 plus D and R equal to 7 minus D into equation 1. You have 7 plus D is equal to 6 times R, which is 7 minus D. So you have 7 plus D is equal to 6 times 7 will give you 42, minus 6 times minus D will give you minus 6D. So let's bring the like terms together. Now we move this minus 6D to this other side and move plus 7 to this other side. You have on this other side you have moved 7 here, so you have D. Moving minus 6D to the left hand side, you have plus 6D, but the sign will change to plus now. Now you have 42 this other side. Now you're moving 7 to this other side, becomes minus 7. because 7 is positive here, so going to this other side of the equation becomes minus. So d plus 6d will give us 7d equal to 42 minus 7 will give us what? 35. So we divide both sides by 7. So you have d we now have d is equal to 7 divided itself 1, 7 divided x is 5. You have d is equal to what? 5. So substituting d equal to 5 into the values of p and r, you have p and r. So now the consecutive terms, you have p is equal to what? 7 plus d. You have q equal to 7, and you have r equal to 7 minus d. So that means p will now be equal to 7 plus 5, since d is equal to 5, which is 12. Q, we have gotten q, which is already 7. R will now be equal to 7 minus 5, since d is equal to 5. So you have 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So that means p q r is equal to 12, 7, and 2. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I make new videos, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you.